Hello everyone, so today we are making glasses case.
So make a magic ring and chain 3. These 3 chain will count as your first double crochet and we are going to make 11 double crochet. So in total we have to make like 12 double crochet. If you don't understand what I'm saying, then just watch and learn. First round is completed. Now for the round 2, make 3 chain. And again these 3 chain will count as your first double crochet. And then we will do another double crochet into the same stitch. So we have to make like 2 double crochet in each stitch. So in total we are going to make 24 double crochet. Complete the round with the slip stitch. And for the round 2, make again 3 chain. And 2 double crochet into another stitch. And then 1 double crochet in a next stitch and 2 double crochet. So just like this we are going to make 36 double crochet. Finish the round with the slip stitch. Now make 12 single crochet. Just like this, using the same pattern, we are going to make 4 of the circle, 2 for each side. Now join these 2 into circle together. We're gonna slip stitch into each 12 single crochet we made. So both parts are ready, the front and the back. Now count for 12 double crochet and mark them with the help of crochet marker, or you have whatever you have. I have the safety pin, Garibi. मैं बहुत गरीब हूँ. Okay. Both side Use it whatever you have in the house. Don't buy, don't waste your money. Okay, so we're gonna do this the same thing on the both side, front and the back. Now, the most crucial part. Pay attention here, everybody. So we are gonna do some single crochet into the 13th double crochet. Okay, so this is the first single crochet. So we are going to do one single crochet and then two single crochet into the another stitch. So 1 and 2. So just like this, we are going to do this both sides. And then join them together. With the help of slip stitch. Now the pocket is ready. Join the yarn. Now we're gonna do one single crochet into the first stitch and then two single crochet into the another. Repeat the pattern till we reach to the end. Do the same pattern on both sides. So for the back side of the pocket, we are going to do the same pattern, but till we reach to the middle point. For the middle point, do 3 single crochet. Turn and then do 3 single crochet onto the top of the 3 single crochet. Repeat this pattern till we have desired length. Now make 4 chains and then do 1 single crochet just like this and chain 1, then we are going to do the 5 or 6 single crochet into this hole. So we are making a buttonhole. do the slip stitch and cut the yarn. Now complete the pattern. Attach the yarn onto the bottom of this leash and do 1 single crochet into the first chain, then do 2 single crochet into the another stitch, and repeat this till we reach to the end.
Now stitch the button, and I stitch the eyes also. You can skip the part, but our case is ready. And in case you like the video, dislike the video and subscribe the channel and follow for more likeable video. तब तक के लिए bye bye.